Hello and welcome back to the DRS Development channel. Happy New Year for everyone. I hope all of your projects, all of your dreams, everything comes true. First off, I want to say we have a new production team. It's a new year. Daniel unfortunately had to move to a government job. It suits him quite well. I want to wish him all the best. Thank him for all of the shots, the video work, the editing, the hard work that he put into it. 2023 means upgrades and new journeys, new projects. In the last episode, you saw how Philip builds us long blocks. Basically, he builds it from the crankshaft up to the cam covers. This is how they arrive at the DRS Development, or the Fast Oldie workshop. And today I'm going to show you what Marcel has done to the whole engine, the whole Phoenix engine as a whole. We've put it in its chassis, which I will show you more of later. First off, thank you to all of the people who helped us, MFA, Aquablast, and Philip, of course, TT Exhausts, Jonas from Island Works for the intake system, and then all of the other various people who send us small bits and pieces for our build. For now. We've done a mock-up build of the intake system, Island Work intake system, GT3 plenum, Pipercross air filter, GT3 throttle body, new fuel rails, a carbon fiber DP Motorsport engine tin. All of the various cables and connectors came from either Carrot or Porsche Motorsport. We've used a set of Bosch Motorsport injectors. We've upgraded the ignition to disc bobines. And we've all made it a little bit nicer with some Kevlar and some carbon fiber. So this is a mock-up. This is usually how we do the whole engine before. We build everything on it. We make sure all the cables, all the connectors are done, make sure everything is there, then break it apart again, make sure all of the clamps, all of the other various pieces are gold plated, coated up to various wishes. In this case, I made the fan orange because it's the Phoenix build. We've Cerakoted the intake plenum and then various bits and pieces that you can see on engines here. One of the most important bits and pieces on an engine, especially a performance engine, is the exhaust. A normal 964 exhaust, as most people know, runs to one side of the engine, which is why we chose to make it into snake headers. Each of the cylinder banks has their own separate exhaust way. Ours comes from TT Exhaust. It's a custom made one. It has dual exhaust, and we hope we can get our performance goals running the intake system from Island Works and the exhaust system from TT Exhausts. As for the question, where are you going to put the Phoenix engine in? I found a scrapped chassis, which means it had water damage. It was an insurance case. It was flooded until above the door line, so every electric component, everything in it had fungus or dirt in it, which made it the perfect candidate for putting our Phoenix engine in. We've started with water blasting the whole chassis, adding a roll cage from Biesheuvel. It's a FIA certified cage. We've chosen to keep the fenders on the front and the rear stock steel because they were very nice. It had some slight rust issues, which we took care of with original Porsche parts. And then all of the rear section, the roof section, and the front section are going to be replaced with Kevlar. And this is the start for Fast Oldies, GAFT, and the DRS Development Phoenix chassis, basically. Color remains to be chosen, but we're making good progress. Not as fast as we would like to, but to give you a small update, this is what we have right now, and hopefully very soon we will have more. So again, not the progress we wanted to make, but a progress at least. We've made some various shots of things in the shop for you to look at. For now, this is the small update that we have. We will keep you posted, of course. Check our Instagram, check our Facebook, and of course our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.